In the last video, we looked at the dead zone. We learned that if you spend more than 30% of your revenue on ads, your business will die. So the question is, how do we keep costs low? Most old advices will tell you to target specific people. If you sell dog toys, you can target people who like dogs aged between 25 to 30 and people who live in Mumbai. But in 2026, that advice is outdated. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact marketing architecture top brands use. So let's go. People, so this is the whiteboard, and this is the first thing that we are going to see. So is like the philosophy old versus new, and it is here we have interest targeting and the broad targeting. I mean that like uh back then when we were uh, doing any meta ads, we had to tell AI that, hey, you have to target the specific people. We were giving the specific informations and things about the customer so that it target those people and we get quality leads. But like just like I explained earlier, that if we had to sell the dog toys, then we used to do is that we target specific people who like dogs, or any specific keywords about dogs, so that it targets specifically people who have who currently have the dogs in their house. Then we set their age between 25 to 30, and we would be targeting our city, or like a specific city. So that was the interest targeting that we were doing back then. But now that the time has changed, algorithm has learned a lot, and the ad thing is like meta ads is changing, and the way we were doing the marketing uh, has changed. So now this is the new broad targeting. So what we do in this is that we do not say to AI that, hey, you need to target dog lovers, you need to target this kind of age people, or location. You can you can at certain point, but you don't need to put put the limits into that. So what broad targeting says that uh, when you add, let's say you will definitely add a creative or a caption. We whenever we add a image or a video, the meta AI will detect that, and it will understand that, okay, this is something related to dog food, so dog toys or whatever the product is. So it will detect that, and after that it will show to the people. So uh, we we don't need to niche that down. So that is the benefit of broad targeting, because now you don't need to worry about if uh, the product will show to the people who don't have interest, because now AI has become smarter. So that is the good thing. So this is what about this. Now let's move to our 3 by 2 by 2 method. This is the great method. Now let's say we understood that theory. We let's say we understood this theory. Now the question is that how would the AI find the specific people that we want to target, or how will we target our winning people, people who want to purchase this kind of things. So for this, we have this 3 by 2 by 2 method, where what we do is we make this three type of materials or funnels, where we make three creatives. In that, it could be a video, it could be a static image, or it could be a carousel. So yeah, that is the thing. Then we create two primary text, which is going to be a caption. Then it's two headlines, which is when we put the call to action button, then they click that button. So in the left side there is a headline, or it's like call to action text. So that is going to be a two headlines. So we are going to make two headlines for that as well. Combined, we take all of them and we put that into dynamic creative test. So Facebook now has this feature where we take all of them and we put into this, and we run the test. and AI, like the feature which is in the Meta, will run the test and it will do the testing for us. Let me give you the context that how it does. So let's say there is a three image A, B, C, right? And then there is a text. So A text, A primary text, B primary text, and A headline, B headline. So this takes the headline creative A, it merge with primary text B, and it takes the headline A. So it combines that and then it shows to somebody else, right? Then again, different. So it takes the creative B and it takes the primary text A, then it takes the headline B and it combines that and it shows to somebody else. So what happens is that uh, it makes the different type of combinations, it shows to different people, and it it automatically find the winning ad. So this all of this becomes a different combination of ads, and it Facebook ad, like the Meta ad, is going to try out to find the winning ad. And when it finds out the winning ads, it will run more. It will add up more money. It will spend more money on that ad. And if it finds out that there is c- um, like the combination of the ad is not working, then it will spend less money as compared to the winning ad. So this is how it works. This is how you like, it is the great method because you don't need to stress out for a different combination manually. You just need to make this kind of things, this type of materials you put into the system, and AI does the job for you. Now comes the campaign structure. In the left side we have a testing lab, and in the right side we have a scaling. So what we just understood from this, that this is the 3 by 2 by 2 method. So it is like, when the 3 by 2 by 2 method finds the winning ad, we just take that ad. We now know that this is one or two, like there could be one or two or more winning ads. We take those ads, we remove all the uh, other ads which are not working, we put them into trash. We take the winning ads and we spend more money on that. So when we are doing the 3 by 2 by 2 method, that when we are doing that type of ad, then we comparatively spend lower in that ad. And when we find a winning ad, then we improve our budget, because then we know that okay, this ad is definitely going to work, and spending more money is going to make more sense. Most of the thing is going to be automated because of AI. You just need to work on the creatives, you just need to work on the decision making. So this is how it's going to be look. Google ads and influencer marketing are great, but they are secondary. The heavy lifting is broad targeting and 3 by 2 by 2 setup, which we just learned. So let's recap. We have a winning product, we have verified the math, and now we have a traffic engine. The orders are about to pour in, but here's the problem. Can you actually deliver them? What happens when you get 100 orders, but the supplier ghosts you, or your courier loses your packets? In the next video, we are going to build an operation system. See you in the next one.